And welcome to Vysh IAS YouTube channel and to the Plums, a free UPSC series. So as part of Plums, we are going to deal 5 MCQs related to CSAT today, that is maths. So today's episode is 307 on October 7, 2023. So let's start today's video. Before starting today's video, let me tell you that as part of Plums, daily 5 MCQs will be dealt at 9 PM by different faculty of Vysh IAS. So stay tuned to our channel in order to get benefit out of this Plum series daily, and please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any queries regarding this channel, you can ask through WhatsApp. That is, WhatsApp number is 7200681675. Okay, now let's start today's video. So first question is, Akhil and Ajay went to a shop to buy fruits. Akhil bought 5 apples, 8 bananas and 14 mangoes for rupees 283. Ajay bought 2 apples, 3 bananas and 5 mangoes for rupees 110. How much would the total cost of 1 apple, 1 banana and 1 mango be? Let's write the data. Let the number of apples, bananas and mangoes be A, B and C. Okay, so initially they said 5 apples. Okay, and let me write in the another page. Okay, 5 apples, 5 apples, 8 bananas and 14 mangoes. Cost is 283. And in the second case, 2 apples, 3 bananas and 5 mangoes, cost is 110. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So if you add 1 plus 2 and if you add 2 equations, you will get it as 7a plus 11b plus 19c is equal to 283 plus 110 is 393. Okay, this is equation number 3. And if you subtract first equation and second equation, you will get it as 5 minus 2 is 3a plus 8 minus 3 is 5b plus 9c is equal to 173. Okay, this is equation number 4. So what you have to do is, you have to get the equation in such a way that a plus b plus c should be the final output. So from the equation 3, if you subtract 2 into 4th equation, you will get it as a plus b plus c. So if I do that, so in the third equation was 7a plus 11b plus 19c is equal to 393. And 2 into 4th equation is nothing but 6a plus 10b plus 18c is equal to 173 into 2. So if you do that, you will get it as a plus, the final output will be a plus b plus c, and the resultant will be 393 minus 2 into 173, that is nothing but 47. So 47 is the correct answer. They have asked us how much would the cost of 1 apple, 1 banana and 1 mango, that is 47. We have got it as 47. So 47 is the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 1. Now let's solve MCQ number 2. If the numbers between 1 to 65, which will be divisible by 4, are taken, and then if the numbers present in the units place and the tens place is swapped, post which they are written in the ascending order, then which of the following number will be the 10th place from the last? Note that 0, 1 when swapped with swapped will become 1, 0 and so on. Okay, so the total number of multiples of 4 is 16. How it is 16? Let me write. So multiples of 4 will be 0, 4, 0, 8, 12, so on till 64. Okay, there are 16 numbers. Okay, the numbers which are multiples of 4 have their unit digits. The multiples of 4 will have unit digits at 0 or 2 or 4, okay, or 6 or 8. Okay, the multiples of 4 which have their unit digits at 8 are, so unit digit as 8 are 08, 28 and 48 up to 64. These 3 are the numbers with unit digits at 8. With unit digit as 6 is 16, 36 and 56. And with unit digit as 4 are 04, Okay, 24, 44 and 64. Okay. Okay, and the multiples of 4 with unit digit as 2. Let me write now. With unit digit as 2 are 12, 32 and 52. Multiples of 4 with unit digit as 0 are 20, 40 and 60. Okay, these are the multiples with different unit digits. The multiples of 4 with unit digit as 0 are 20, 40 and 60. Okay, it is given that number present in the units place and the tens place is swapped, post which they are written in the ascending order. Then which of the following numbers will be 10th place from the last? 10th place from the last, it is nothing but there are total 16 numbers that we have got multiples as 4 from 4 to 64, right? So the 10th place from last will be 16 plus 1 minus 10. So we have to find 7th place from the beginning, okay? Which is the 7th place from the beginning. If you are writing in the ascending order after swapping the digits, the least value will be those that have the 0 as their units place. After that, the numbers with which had 2 as their units place, and so on. If you do it from the 7th from the beginning, 3 numbers we have calculated. We have seen how many numbers are with 0. 3 numbers that had 0 as their units place. 3 numbers had 2 as their units place, and 1 number. Total of 6 has finished. So the next number will be 4 will be in the units place. Hence the first number that has 4 in their units place is nothing but 04, that is 40. So 40 is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 2. Now let's solve MCQ number 3. The simple interest occurred on the sum of certain principal in 8 years at the rate of 13% per annum is 6,500. What would be the compound interest occurred on the principal at the rate of 8% per year in 2 years? So if you write the data, you will get it as, so simple interest is nothing but PTR by 100, as we know. When P is the principal, T is the time period and R is the rate of interest. Simple interest occurred on the sum of certain principal in 8 years at the rate of 13% is 6,500. So if you substitute this equation, let me write without writing the formula, because you all know the formula very well. Okay, 6,500 is equal to, okay, interest is equal to P into, we don't know principal, 8 into 13 by 100. So if you calculate, you will get it as 6250. Principal, you will get it as 6250. And the compound interest on 6250 for 2 years at 8% interest is, it is nothing but 6250 into 1 plus interest is 8 by 100 for 2 years. So power 2 minus 6250. So you'll get it as 10. If you calculate this, you'll get it as 1040. So option number A is the correct answer for MCQ number 3. Now let's solve MCQ number 4. What is the sum of the first 10 terms of an increasing AP when first, second and fourth terms are in GP and the first term of the AP is 13? Okay. Let me write the data now. Okay. Let the first term of the AP be A. Okay. A be the first number of the AP series and the common difference, let it be D. Okay. Then the first, second and fourth numbers of the AP series will be A plus D and A plus 3D. These are the first, second and the fourth numbers. Okay. Since they are in the GP, they have given in the question that these 3 numbers are in the GP. It is nothing but the middle number square. Square of the middle number, it's nothing but multiplication of A into A plus 3D. If you calculate this, you'll get it as A square plus 2AD plus D square is equal to A square plus 3AD. If you calculate it further, you will get it as, the final output will be A square will get cancelled. Okay. D square is equal to 3AD minus 2AD is nothing but AD. D square is equal to AD. That is nothing but, if you, let me write, D square is equal to AD. So if you bring it into left hand side, D square minus AD is equal to 0. So you will get it as D minus A is equal to 0. If you take D as common, so D is equal to 0 or A. Okay, these are the two equations that you'll get. Since it is mentioned that AP is increasing, we'll take D is equal to A, not 0. Okay, D is equal to A. So hence what we can get is the A plus 4D. So the question that was asked is the fifth term of the AP. Fifth term of the AP is nothing but A plus 4D. Okay, and we have got A is equal to D. A plus 4A is nothing but 5A. So this is 5A or 5D. We can write it as 5A or 5D. Okay. So the fifth term is given as 13. So the common difference is nothing but 13 by 5. Common difference in the first term is nothing but 13 by 5 because both are equal. A is equal to D is equal to 13 by 5. So they have asked sum of the first 10 numbers of the increasing AP. So if you write the sum of the first 10 numbers, it is nothing but 10 by 2, n by 2 into A plus A minus 1 into D. 2A plus, okay, 9D. 10 minus 1 into D. Okay. If you further calculate, 10 by 2 is nothing but 5. 2A plus 9A, 11A. A value is 13 by 5. Okay. 5 and 5 get cancelled. 13 into 11 is nothing but 143. So 143 is the correct answer for the MCQ number 4. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 4. Now let's solve MCQ number 5, the final MCQ of the day. A, B, C, D collected 1 rupee coins following the given pattern. Together they collected 100 coins. Each of them collected even number of coins. Each of them collected at least 10 coins. No two of them collected the same number of coins. The maximum number of coins collected by any one of them cannot exceed. Okay, at least number of coins one can have is 10 as per the question. And no two of them possess same number of coins. Hence, for having maximum number of coins to one person, the distribution of coins should be in such a way that one person will have the huge number of coins. So at least 10, next can be 12, next can be 14, and next can be 64. So that the sum of them will become 100 and the maximum number of coins will be 64. Okay, 64 is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So option A is the correct answer for MCQ number 5. So that is it for today's video. I hope so you have enjoyed today's video by solving all the questions. So in the same way, we'll be solving the 5 MCQs tomorrow from different subjects. So until then, stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. Take care. Bye-bye.